Hello children, welcome back to my class. What about our previous class? Yes, it was about blends. What is a blend? What is a blend? Let's learn together what is a blend. Did you remember the rhyme? Yes, we had a beautiful rhyme from the previous class. It was about blends. So a blends means that are the sounds of two letters that are written together, right? So these are the three blends that we have learned in the previous class. TR, true. The letters T and R together makes the sound true. BR, bro, and GR, it makes dr sound. Okay, so now I am going to write a word here. So you have to find out the blend which is hiding inside this word. What is it? Yes, it is PR, pro. It is prince. Okay, this is the word prince. So here we can find out the blend P and R, pro. It's together makes pro sound. So PR is a blend. So hope this is clear to you. So let's come back to our today's class. What about our today's topic? Yes, it was about retelling a story in order. So our aim is to retell a story in the correct sequence. In the correct sequence. What do you mean by the sequence? What do you mean by the sequence? Sequence means in an order, to make in an order. So today we are going to retell the story. Retell means tell again. We are going to retell the story Anya and the Dragon by using the order words. See, here you can see the keywords. What are the words? What are the new words that we have to learn from today's class? Yes, it was order. First, then, next, after that, and finally. These are the new words that you have to learn about spelling. Okay, so see the words first, then, next, after that, and finally. These are we called the order words. See the words first, then, next, after that, and finally. So these are we called as the order words. So what do you mean by these order words? Here, with the help of these order words, we can make the story, this Anya and the Dragon, in a correct order, in a correct sequence. That is what we are going to do today. Okay, so do you know about planting? Did you plant anything in your house? Yes, in our today's class, you have told me so many plants you have planted in your house, right? Okay, fine. So now, let us watch a video. Let's listen to the video carefully. Okay.
Planting a seed is easy. All you need is sun, soil, seeds, and water. First, you make a hole in your soil. This is where your seed will go. Next, you drop your seed into the soil. Then, cover it with more dirt and water it. After a week or two, you will be able to see a new plant growing. What does it look like? Take time to describe it or grow bigger and stronger. How does your plant look different now? If you take care of your plant, You can enjoy it for a long time to come.
So hope you all have watched the video. What about that video? What was it? Yes, it was about landing. Okay, so can you tell me the steps about that landing? Yes, first what we have to do? Yes, first we have to take a pot. So now let me draw a picture of a pot. Okay, this is the pot. So first you have to take a pot like this, right? So now at first you have to fill up some soil in this pot. So first you have to put some soil here, right? So let's write the first step here, filling the pot with soil, right? This is number 1, first step. Then what you have to do? Yes, then you have to put some seeds, right? Then let's put some seeds inside this. Actually, this is the seeds, okay? For understanding, that is why I am drawing this. So this is the seeds. So after filling the soil, you have to put some seeds. Okay, then what is the third step? This is number 2. Then what is next? Yes, next you have to water the plant. Watering the plant is the third step. Watering the plant, and after that what will happen? Yes, the seeds will grow into a plant, you know. After watering some more days, the seed will change into a little plant like this. Right? This way it will change. Okay, so after that, the seed, it will starting to grow. Right? The seeds will started to grow. Then at last means the final step. Finally, the seeds will become a plant. Right? So the seeds, it will become a plant. Right? It will grow a little more like this, and at last it will become a plant, and after all it will become a tree like this, you know, tree or whatever the things, it will become so big, right? So this how we can do the planting. First filling the pot with soil, then put some seeds in it, next watering the plant, after that it will starting to grow, it will started to grow, and at last finally the seeds will become a plant, right? So this how we can do the planting. So now what we are going to do, you know, by using the same step, we are going to retell the story. Okay, by using the same steps, first, then, next, after that, and finally, by using this order words. What to say? These are order words. Say with me. Order words. These are order words. Okay. By getting the clear vision, I have written like this. First, then, next, after that, finally. Say with me. First, then, next, after that, and finally. So by using these words, let's retell the story. So please open your English textbook page number 2. Here, Anya and the dragon. This is the story. So from where did the story start? Did the story is happening from here, from this picture? No, right? Then from where it starts? Yes, it is starting from here. This is the beginning of the story, right? So what will happen first? What happened first here in the story? Yes, look at this picture. Here in the first part, there we can see lonely and sad dragon who is living in the king's palace, right? So first we can write like the sad and lonely. Lonely means alone. The sad and lonely dragon who lived where? Yes, it lived in the king's palace. Right. So this how we can write about the first. Then what happened? Somebody came to his room. Who was that? Yes, it was our princess. So we can write like the princess Anya came to his room. Then next, yes, she did something, no? She helped the dragon. How? Yes, she opened his chain. She opened his chains and both they were flying in the sky, right? Both they were flew in the sky. Okay, then after that, yes, when they came from the ride, they saw someone was watching like this, very strong mind, very strong face. Someone was watching them. Who was that? Yes, it was the king. So the king watched them. Okay, this is how you can write. The king watched them and finally, yes, the king throws the keys into the pond and he sets the dragon free. Right, he freed the dragon. So he sets the dragon free. So this is the story. So first, the sad and lonely dragon lived in the king's palace. Then Princess Anya came to his room and she sets the dragon free, She opened his chain and both they were flying in the sky. Then when they came back from the ride, they saw that the king is watching them. But children, by seeing his daughter's happiness, the king throws the keys into the pond. He is telling that, oh, now my daughter is very happy. So I always wanted to see like her like this. So what he did? Yes, for seeing her happiness, for seeing Anya's happiness, the king throws the keys into the pond and he sets the dragon free. He freed the dragon. So this how, by using these order words, we can retell the story in a very short time, right? See children, will you be able to explain the story in 1 minute, in a very short time? No, it is not possible, right? So by using this order words, if you are using these order words to retell the story, it will take a very short time. It is less than 1 minute. Okay, so these order words help us to retell the story. Okay, so now let's come back to your workbook, page number 18, S3, retelling a story in order. So here what you have to do is in the same how you have to explain the story by using these order words. Okay, then here in your practice questions from page number 9, question number 3, there you can see some pictures, There is a boy, a little boy who is playing with the snow and is making something. So what you have to do here, you have to use these order words in a correct manner and write it above this picture. Okay, then there is one more question you have. It is question number 5, making words. By using the letter cards, you have to make maximum number of words and at last make one big word that uses all 8 letters. Okay, so these are the 2 things that you have to do after this class. So hope this is clear to you. So can you tell me what we have learned today? Yes, we have learned about the order words. First, then, next, after that, finally. Say with me, first, then, next, after that, and finally. These are the 5 order words that we have learned today. So is there any doubt? Just contact me. So this is all for today. Thank you.